Email marketing will continue to be a popular and cost-effective choice for digital marketers. In this video, I will talk about 6 simple steps that you should follow to become a master of email marketing. Let's get started. Step 1 on my list is to learn about email marketing. Start by learning about basics of email marketing and how it works. This includes understanding the different types of emails such as newsletter, promotional emails, and transactional emails. Spend some time learning how to create an effective email campaigns and how to analyze and measure the success of your email campaigns. I have added a link to the email marketing tool that will allow you to create email campaigns and measure their success. Step 2 on my list is to develop a strategy for your email marketing efforts. This includes setting goals for your campaign, determining your target audience, and deciding on the type of emails you will send and how often you will send them. Identify your goals. Answer these questions. What do you want to achieve through your email marketing efforts? Do you want to drive traffic to your website, increase sales, or improve customer engagement? Identifying your goals will help you focus your efforts and measure the success of your campaign. Define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your emails? Understanding your target audience will help you create messages that are relevant and compelling. Create a content calendar. A content calendar will help you plan and schedule your emails in advance. Consider creating a mix of promotional, educational, and informational emails to keep your audience engaged. If you have any questions, ask me by commenting below. I will make sure to reply. Step 3 on my list is to build an email list. One of the most important elements of email marketing is your email list. Start building your email list by collecting email addresses from your website, social media accounts, and other sources. One of the best ways to create email list is to ask for an email ID in exchange for a lead magnet. And this can be done by putting an opt-in form on your website and automating it. I have added a link in the description for an opt-in form WordPress plugin. If you are getting value from this video, encourage me to create more videos like this by clicking the like and subscribe button. Step 4 on my list is to create high quality emails. To be successful with email marketing, you need to create emails that are engaging and relevant to your audience. This includes attractive email design, clear and concise messaging, and compelling calls to action. Follow these simple tips to create high quality emails for your email marketing campaigns. Keep your email concise. Long emails can overload your subscribers and may not be read in full. Aim for emails that are no longer than a few hundred words and use bullet points to break up the text. Use a clear subject line. Your subject line is the first thing your subscribers will see, so make sure it is clear and concise. Avoid using vague or spammy subject lines and try to include keywords that are relevant to your content. Personalize your emails. Personalized emails have higher open and click-through rate. Use your subscriber's name in the email subject line and the body of your email. Use a clear call to action. Your email should have a clear call to action, whether to visit your website, make a purchase, or sign up for a newsletter. Make sure your call to action stands out and is easy to see. Use a mobile responsive design. Many people read emails on their phones, so it is important to make sure your emails are mobile responsive. Use a single column layout and larger font sizes to make your emails easy to read on small screens. Testing and optimization are the key to improving the effectiveness of your email campaigns. Try different subject lines, email formats, and calls to action to see which one performs the best. Use data and analytics to track the success of your campaigns and make ongoing improvements. The last but most important step is to stay up to date with email marketing. Email marketing is constantly evolving, so it is important to stay up to date with the latest best practices and trends. Read industry blogs, attend conferences or workshops, and subscribe to this channel to stay informed. Thank you.